You just walked out of the library, the coffee shop, or a friend's house, and that cold, dreadful thought hits you like an ice bucket. Did I log out of my Gmail? Your heart sinks. Your entire digital life, private emails, cloud documents, contacts, maybe even your photos, could be wide open for the next person to see. Don't panic. That feeling of vulnerability is exactly what we're going to eliminate today. Welcome. We've all been there, and the solution is way faster and easier than you think. I'm going to show you this simple step-by-step process to log out of your Gmail account on every single device, even the ones you don't have anymore, and lock down your account right now. First, we'll cover the basics, signing out on a regular computer. Then we'll clear up the confusion around logging out on your phone, because it's totally different. And the most important part, we're heading into your account's security settings to find the command center that lets you see every device logged into your account and gives you the power to kick them all off. By the end of this, you'll have total peace of mind. Let's get started and reclaim your digital security. First off, let's be clear, that panicked feeling is completely justified. Why is leaving Gmail open so much more serious than, say, a social media account? Because for most of us, our Google account isn't just email, it's the master key to our entire digital life. Think about it. If someone has access to your logged-in Gmail, they could try to reset the passwords for your bank, your Amazon account, or anything else. They just click Forgot Password, and the reset link gets sent straight to the open inbox they're already looking at. Beyond that, they have a direct window into your Google Drive with its financial documents or work projects. They can see your Google Photos, a visual history of your life. They can check your Google Maps history to see where you've been. This isn't just about privacy, it's about your entire digital identity. The good news is, Google gives you all the tools you need to manage this, and I'm going to show you exactly where they are. Let's start with the most common scenario, signing out of Gmail on a desktop or laptop. This is the simplest process, but there are a couple of details to know. When you're in Gmail, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a circle with your initial or your profile picture. That's your account icon. Just click on that circle. A drop-down menu will appear, and at the bottom, you'll see a Sign Out button. Click it. That's it. You're logged out of your Google account on that browser. This action logs you out of all Google services, so if you had YouTube or Google Drive open in other tabs, you'll be signed out there too. Now, what if you're on a public or shared computer? After signing out, you might notice your account is still listed on the login screen for easy access. To get rid of that, after you sign out, look for an option on the login selection screen that says Remove an Account. Select your account and confirm. This is a browser feature that adds an extra layer of privacy by stopping your profile from even appearing as a login option. Alright, let's talk about phones and tablets. This is where most people get confused, because if you look in the Gmail app, there is no Log Out button. That's on purpose. On your phone, your Google account is tied into the operating system for things like the App Store, Maps, and backups. So you don't log out, you remove the account from that specific phone. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. This does not delete your Google account or your emails. It just severs the connection between your account and that one specific phone. To do this, you need to go into your phone's main settings, not the Gmail app. On Android, go to Settings, Passwords and Accounts. On iOS, go to Settings, Mail, Accounts. Find the Google account you want to sign out of, tap on it, and you'll see an option like Remove Account or Delete Account. Tapping this will sign you out of all Google apps on that device. All your data stays perfectly safe on Google servers, ready for you to access from anywhere else. This is the most powerful step. This is what you do if a device is lost or stolen, or if you just have that sinking feeling you left an account open somewhere. We're going to remotely view and sign out of every single device that has access to your Google account. From any browser or from the Gmail app, tap your profile icon in the top right. Then tap the button that says Manage Your Google Account. This takes you to your main account dashboard. Now, find and tap on the Security tab. In the security section, scroll down until you see a box titled Your Devices. You might see a few recent ones listed. At the bottom of that box, click on Manage All Devices. Welcome to your Security Command Center. This screen shows you a complete list of every computer, phone, and tablet that's signed in to your Google account. You'll see what it is, where it was last used, and when. Take a second to look through this list. See that computer from the Hotel Business Center, an old phone you sold, any device or location you don't recognize? For any device you want to kick out, just click on it and you'll see a big Sign Out button. Click it and confirm. Google will instantly terminate that device's access. There isn't one single button to sign out of everything at once, so you'll have to click on each device you want to remove one by one. Going down the list and signing out of everything you don't actively trust is a fantastic way to do a full security reset. Once you've kicked out all the unwanted devices, there are two final crucial steps to take, especially if you think your account was compromised. First, change your password immediately. Logging devices out is like kicking intruders out of your house. Changing your password is like changing the locks on all the doors. If someone somehow got your password, logging them out is only a temporary fix. A new password ensures they can't get back in. This also has the added benefit of forcing a sign-out on most devices and apps anyway. Second, review your third-party app access. Over the years, we give dozens of apps and websites permission to access parts of our Google account. Go back to your Google account's Security tab and find the section called Third-Party Apps with Account Access. Click into it and look at the list. See an old game you don't play anymore or a service you don't recognize? Click on it and choose Remove Access. This closes potential backdoors to your account you totally forgot about. And that's how you do it. You now know how to properly sign out on a computer, how to correctly remove your account from a phone, and most importantly, how to use Google's Security Command Center to manage every device connected to your account. You've taken back control, and you can be confident your digital life is secure. You are the gatekeeper. If this video helped you out and gave you some peace of mind, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. For more simple tutorials that make tech secure and easy to understand, be sure to subscribe. Finally, if you were surprised by how many devices were logged into your account, share your experience in the comments below. I love reading them. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.